In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Ninja Forms to Google Sheets, Direct, and Zapier. We'll follow the official Ninja Forms walkthrough and focus on the Zapier method to reliably push form entries into a spreadsheet. If you prefer a native connection, the same page also covers direct options. But this tutorial will guide you through the Zapier flow end to end. Start by opening the official Connect WordPress Forms to Google Sheets article from Ninja Forms, then click the section that says Set it up WordPress Forms to Google Sheets in 5 easy steps. In your WordPress dashboard, open or create the form you want to send to Sheets. In the form builder, go to Emails and Actions and add the Zapier action. You'll need the Ninja Forms Zapier add-on installed and activated for this to appear. Once you see the Zapier action with a webhook field, leave this tab open. We'll come back to it. Now jump into Zapier and create a new Zap. Use the AI Zap Builder or the Standard Builder and describe your goal. Send form responses from Ninja Forms to Google Sheets. Zapier will generate a trigger using webhooks by Zapier and give you a unique webhook URL. Copy that URL. Head back to your Ninja Forms tab and paste the webhook into the Zapier webhook field of the action. Save or publish the form, then click Preview and submit a quick test entry. This test will establish the connection. Return to Zapier and click Test Trigger. You should see the data from your test submission. If nothing appears, submit the form again and test the trigger once more. Next, configure your Zap's action. Choose Google Sheets and select the action event Create Spreadsheet row. Before you continue, make sure your spreadsheet exists and has clear header names in the first row. Each new form submission will become a new row, and each column will map to a form field. Click Continue. Select your Google Drive, the spreadsheet, and the worksheet you want to use. Zapier will load your column headers so you can map each field from Ninja Forms to the correct column. Take a moment to match names carefully to keep your dataset clean. Send a test from Zapier to confirm a new row appears in your sheet with the right values. If it looks good, publish your Zap and turn it on. From now on, every form submission will flow into your spreadsheet automatically. A quick bonus tip before we wrap up. Use one worksheet per form to keep columns consistent and avoid accidental overwrites. That's it. You're connected and ready to go.